Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is August 15th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Transparency notice: this podcast was created using AI. Anthropic adds text watermarking. Computer history logs workflows. Cloned voices complicate evidence. MDR targeted by disinformation. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. Anthropic will add a watermark API to detect likely Claude involvement. The system biases word choice randomness to leave a trace, which Anthropic says does not affect content, creativity, or readability. Detection weakens on short or fact-based passages, code and human corrections. Translations and AI-written text are detectable, and heavy rewriting can erase the mark. The watermark signals probable Claude participation, but cannot prove full authorship or distinguish other models from humans. Anthropic is rolling this out globally to meet the EU AI Act. Models published from the 2nd of August 2026 will support watermarking. Older models will be updated, and files will use C2PA metadata. OpenAI's computer history records interactions across apps and websites into a searchable timeline of memories that ChatGPT and Codex can use. It logs events, clicks, keystrokes, shortcuts, and app switches via macOS accessibility, and does not capture screenshots, screen recordings, microphone input, or system audio. Private browsing is excluded. Repeated workflows can become suggested skills that Codex can turn into templates. In business workspaces, administrators must enable it, and each user must opt in. Memories must be on. Event files stay local and are deleted after 48 hours. Generated memory files remain unencrypted until removed. OpenAI warns of prompt injection and privacy risks for sensitive apps and communications.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. A 30-second voice recording from WhatsApp or social media is enough to reproduce accents, pitch, and speech pauses and enable convincing voice clones. Free tools on a laptop can alter receipts in seconds, shown using Google Gemini. Face swapping in video calls is feasible on a powerful laptop. Printed screenshots lose metadata and visual clues, complicating evidence and leading to more expert involvement. Lawyer Franka Becker and co-founder Fabian Rittmeyer built Pilehound to let law firms use AI while keeping data on the user's machine. Pilehound cleans scans, handwriting, and audio. It is self-funded and profitable. Becker says any provider claiming zero hallucinations is simply lying. Mitteldeutsche Rundfunk says it was the target of a disinformation campaign reportedly guided from Russia that used fake videos bearing the MDR logo to level fabricated criminal accusations at regional politicians ahead of the state election in Saxony-Anhalt. The broadcaster says a dataset since the 24th of July contains 338 posts, many AI-generated and impersonating brands like Tagesschau and Spiegel. The Auswärtiges Amt described these operations as part of a hybrid threat by Russia, exploiting events to polarize society. MDR editor-in-chief Kristen Bowman called the falsification of journalistic brands and the spread of disinformation attacks on media credibility. Verified MDR reporting remains on its website and official channels. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you are perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.